手にあるよ。
朝から天ぷらちょっと。
あ、そう。
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
美味しい？
なんかね、ディズニーランドで食べたことあるかもしれない。
そうなの？
なんか味が美味しい。なんか思ったよりチリチリしてない。
チリチリしてない。いただきます。
何？
軽いんだね。うん。美味しい。
何？
うん。
はい。あれめっちゃ食べづれ。
あれみたいな
ちょっと尊敬はあるね。
ヤシの木のカツに。
doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, my best friend. You keep turning heads when you walk by. If they only knew you love me blind. You don't even notice their starry eyes, 'cause you are looking straight into mine. Yeah, you could have anyone you want, but I'm the one who gets to take you home. It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. Now I know I'm yours till the end of time. I keep turning heads when I walk by. If they only knew that I am yours. I've had my fair share of love, but no one ever came as close as what you and I have right now. The ring on my finger tells me I'm the one. Love like this is one in a billion. It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. Now I know I'm yours till the end of time. As long as I'm walking down the aisle, you're smiling, looking at me, with tears in your eyes. In this bubble forever is where I wanna stay. In a room full of people, I only see your face. It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. Now I know I'm yours till the end of time. As long as I'm walking down the aisle, you're smiling, looking at me, with tears in your eyes. In this bubble forever is where I wanna stay.
確認とステーキの
Oh, bring me back to that day. I had all of this waiting ahead.
はい、おつ
お疲れ様です。
もう7時20分だよ。
あー、美味しい。
7時20分。
遅くなっちゃったのが明るいね。
あれ白夜かもしれない。あ、これにすると牛汁ってのがいい。
マッシュルーム。
何ソースつけんの？結局ニンニク醤油俺好きだから。
柔らか。
ハンバーグは食べれる。
ハンバーグも1個食べていいの？
これも珍しい。
どれが美味しかった？
変わってんのはこれとこれ。これがケチャップベース。これがトマト味のソース。
美味しい。
珍しい。沖縄の人は飲んだ後にステーキ屋行くらしい。
すごいね。
テレビで言ってたけど。シークワーサー。
ポテトチップスですね。
紅芋ポーポー。
紅芋ポーポー。クレープ生地らしいですね。姉ちゃんは程よいです。お疲れ様です。
ポーポー食べてみる。
ポーポー？
だいぶポーポーだね。
だいぶポーポーなの？何だいぶポーポーって何？もちもちした感じ？
中にあん入ってると思ったらあん入ってないって。
入ってないの？
でも紅芋の味はする。
ポーポーだって。
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference. So you make me strong. Pretty little thing,
おにぎりだ。
you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. I got asked to sing a funeral tomorrow. Something that I never thought I will do again. And it all brought me back to when
いただきます。
the preacher shared her words. She said, imagine we all live under the wall.
スパム握りって感じ。多分さ、アメリカのやつをアメリカ沖縄にたくさん来るじゃん、それで沖縄もスパム握りなの。揚げてた方が好きかもしれない。したら香ばしさがもうちょっとだけ欲しいね。チーズ、ピクルス、辛いピクルスでサウザンソースみたいなハンバーガー、ビッグマックのソースと一緒だよ多分。
そうなの？
多分
可愛いサイズだけど。
でも美味しそうだね。
ずつのね。
うまい。
だってシェフが焼いてるもんね。
温め直してるだけなんだけど、その気遣いが嬉しい。
そうだね。高い方が美味しいもんね。耳側サラダ。皮？なんだ？
美味しい美味しい。
大ちゃんは大丈夫なやつだよね。
でもさ、フグのあれは食べるでしょ。あれと一緒だよ。
あ、そうなの？でもフグは魚だよ。
まあでも皮の豚でフグだから。
ちょっと違う。豚と魚は違うよ。
皮の豚。
ああ、そういうことか。
そういうことだよ。だから本当似てるよ。
厚揚げみたいな。
厚揚げの濃くした感じ。